Hello, so I'm David. A month ago, I went to Alabang for a car meet with my friends. So I have friends who are into old cars, and luckily my mom kept her old Toyota Starlet from the 1980s, and we were able to fix it up to be drivable on the road. So I took it to Alabang, and unfortunately on the way back, it broke. I was driving into a gasoline station and there was a pothole I didn't see, and yeah, my wheels got disconnected from the main structure, forgot what it's called, and it wasn't drivable on the way home. So yeah, here's some footage from that trip, and here's also me attempting to find a mechanic to fix the alignment of my wheels since it's been repaired ever since then. Hope you enjoy. So here we are in the car meetup area. So we met up near a gasoline station, and yeah, we were just waiting for our friends and off we go. So this was fun since we had a lot of people join our caravan, and I also had my partner with me, so Julia was with me in the car. And yeah, she was filming most of the time as I was driving. She was able to do a good job. And this was the first parts where it was really nice. We weren't having any problems since, like we didn't hit any potholes yet. So yeah, it was a pretty chill ride on the way to Alabang. And it was a bit makulimlim or cloudy. One of my friend's cars is actually new, or newly bought rather. It's a Mitsubishi Lancer, so as you can see here, it's green, which is really nice. And yeah, it was a pretty smooth ride on the way, and we were just vibing, honestly. So unfortunately, didn't get much footage from the actual car meet, so you were just some pictures that I'll be sliding through the screen. Yeah, so there are many cars there. Here's a CRX from a friend of ours. Here, I don't know these cars, I'm not really a car guy. But here's a Celica. I know this one since it was really nice and I looked at it and took a picture. And here's my girlfriend in front of some Volkswagens, which was really nice. She enjoyed the trip. Here's a nice shot of all our cars together, which we enjoyed. This would have been a nice way to end the car meet, but it didn't end there. We got into an accident where my wheel just popped off and I couldn't drive the car anymore. So yeah, we had to get home and get ourselves picked up. Honestly, at least my girlfriend was really calm and she actually enjoyed the elevated ride that we had on the way home. So yeah, it didn't turn out really bad. It just became part of our experience.
Hi. It's part of the car meet experience.
So we got home and we just put the car in the garage, and yeah, we had dinner afterwards with Rainier and my girlfriend Julia. And yeah, honestly, the car has just been getting fixed since then, and now it's semi-fixed, and we're just really thankful we're all safe. Hey, so I'm on the way out. I'll be having the car fixed. So I have a old Toyota Starlet, and I'm about to have the wheels fixed. I think I just want to keep documenting and bring you guys along, in case something interesting comes up. Okay, let's head out. I'm gonna prepare some stuff. I'll bring my laptop.
here, I'll have to check the car. Pagayos ng gamit. There it is. Old school. Tapos siya. Sa loob lang lahat. I'll just fix some stuff in the house. Hello. Just a new cat. It's my old room. It's nice. It's not what I came here for. Okay, let's just get this out. Ooh, it works very good. There it is. It's working well. The wheels just aren't aligned. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, we're here. So I get this thing line. Let's just fix our stuff. So there was a line, so I had to wait in a nearby tea house. So maghihintay lang sa Moonleaf. There's a noisy kid. I hate noisy kids. So I think I'm just gonna work for a bit. Just do some work and then hopefully the line goes by fast.
So sadly, after waiting for a while, they told me that they didn't have the tools they needed. So I had to look for another shop. And here's just me searching for it.
So I had to leave since they can't align my wheels. So I'll look for another one. Looking for one now. It's kind of hard to find one. Hello, pa. Ano yung pangalan ng sa Cubao? Kasi wala daw sila dito.
So after I went to Cubao, I didn't really find one. Just decided to go home and call it a day.
Ay, sayang, wala. No available mechanic to align the tires. Okay.
So not sure if you saw it earlier, but there's a pop-up here in my village. So I decided to just take a look. And I saw my friend, Alicia. So I decided to visit her booth.
Stickers! Hi, Alicia.
Oh my god.
It is an impulse buy. Alright, so sadly, I couldn't get the car fixed. they didn't have the materials or the equipment needed for it, so I just went home. I visited Alicia in her art booth. She sells stickers, and yeah, it was pretty fun just catching up. I guess now I just need to get back home. Really, I think that's just it. So yeah, I'll just be heading back. Oh, you're different. Yeah. Alright. So I guess I wasn't able to get the car fixed, but it's okay. At least now I know that it's hard to find a shop that has the equipment. It's also nice because I was able to catch up with a friend. So yeah, pretty productive day. So thank you for watching this quick video where I just document my life. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll just see you on the next one. Peace.